Creator for you wasn't miracle, Big Bang, all that sort of thing.
A Big Bang, what is a Big Bang?
That's what science tells us.
Yeah, but a Big Bang, that's a Big Bang. Is a Big Bang
I mean,
someone?
it can't be explained. That's the beauty of it.
No, let's analyze. A Big Bang, what is a Big Bang? Is it an action or a doer?
The actual of what supposedly happened.
Yeah, the action. Big Bang is the action. For the sake of argument, which I don't mean it.
Or a doer.
Yeah.
The Big Bang doesn't have a brain, it's an effect, it's an action.
Yes.
It is an effect. It's an
That's
effect
it.
rather than action.
That's it.
Okay.
That's the effect. So, how effects can... The effect doesn't exist in the real life.
It has to have caused it.
It has to have caused it. You see? It's like someone telling me, I tell him, who brought the camera here? He said, walking. Walking is an action. Yeah. I know the guy who brought it here who was walking. Okay? Or someone was pushing him in the wheelchair. But these are called actions. Who carried the action? You see? That's why, when you reflect upon the creation, just on ourselves. As I've mentioned many times, we have a nose next to our mouth. Why? Before you eat, smell food. We have a joint in our elbows in order for us to utilize them. We have eyebrows above our eyes. Why? To protect us from the sweat, because the sweat contains salt. We don't have a teeth in our eyes. That's what Allah said in the Quran. وَفِي أَنفُسِكُمْ أَفَلَا تُبْصِرُونَ. Within yourself there is a science of your Creator, the one who should be worshipped alone. Don't you not reflect?